Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send BNB from Coinbase Wallet to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your BNB assets quickly and securely, you're in the right place. With the latest updates in blockchain tech, this process is faster and more user-friendly than ever before. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Coinbase Wallet and Phantom Wallet apps installed on your device. You'll need to have some BNB in your Coinbase Wallet and the exact wallet address from your Phantom Wallet ready to go. This is crucial to avoid any transfer errors. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets tab and select BNB from your list of holdings. You'll see your current balance. Double-check that you have enough to cover the transfer fees. Step 2. Tap on the BNB asset to open its details. Look for the Send or Transfer button and click it. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's wallet address. Carefully paste the Phantom Wallet address you copied earlier. Remember, wallet addresses are case-sensitive, so get this right to prevent any mishaps. Step 3. Next, enter the amount of BNB you want to send. Be mindful of network fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to improved scalability, but always review them before proceeding. Hit Next to review the transaction details. Step 4. Coinbase will show you a summary of the transfer, including the amount, fees, and final recipient. Take a moment to verify everything. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to authenticate with your PIN, biometrics, or two-factor setup for security. Step 5. Sit tight while the transaction processes. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few seconds to a minute. Once it's done, head over to your Phantom Wallet app and refresh to see your BNB arrive. And that's it, you've successfully transferred BNB from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. Always keep an eye on your wallets for any unauthorized activity and consider using hardware wallets for extra security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.